Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install the Wise app on your laptop. So let's get started. First of all, let's clear something up. The Wise app is designed for Android, but don't worry, you can still use it on your laptop with the help of an Android emulator. One of the most popular emulators is BlueStacks, which allows you to run Android apps on your laptop. Just download and install BlueStacks, set it up, and then search for the Wise app in the Play Store within the emulator. Once you find it, click install and wait for it to finish. After that, you can open the Wise app directly from BlueStacks and start using it just like you would on your phone. It's that simple. And that's it. Now you know how to install the Wise app on your laptop. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.